TAPCO's always been about solving problems, bringing innovative solutions to the customer. In the 90s, when intelligent transportation really took off, TAPCO really helped the DOT move into that next level. Back in the late 90s, early 2000s, then the blinker sign. Getting acceptance of the blinker sign into the MUTCD was obviously the big explosion. Once federal highway said, okay, it's okay to have red LEDs on your sign, it just took off. In 2009, I believe it was, the DOT had come to us and said, we want to find out a way that we can count the wrong way vehicles on a ramp. Let's figure out if we can put a radar out there and just count vehicles going the wrong way. Maybe we should see what vehicles are going the wrong way. Is there a way you can put a camera on this wrong way systems? That was how that pilot started out. A lot of creativity was what TAPCO developed here in Wisconsin. And customers would always look to us to be their experts.
The transportation industry is very regional. TAPCO was once regional as well. It was really our blinker division. This is what really gave us a nationwide stage. What makes us special, as I realize, is that we weren't like a lot of those regional players because of all the different things that we do. We build it here in the US, which is super cool. And then we ship it, and then we've got this service team that is backed by literally years of signal and ITS service that's saying, we're going to bring our expertise in, we're going to help you integrate it first, and then we can design a contract to help maintain it and try to make sure that that system operates as long as it possibly can the way that you intended it to operate.
Innovation to me is the most unique form of problem solving. When it comes to technology, everything is getting smarter. Municipalities, the cities, the DOTs, they're all having to manage newer technologies, cutting edge technologies that are making everything interactive and connected. We're constantly looking at how connected autonomous vehicles play a part along with the increasing intelligence of infrastructure. So when we have a mid-block crosswalk, we're now considering how a vehicle interacts with the infrastructure. Our software platform, which allows us to remotely monitor our systems, make sure that the system is not only performing as it's intended to, that it's operating as we set the expectations of the customer, but that what its impact to the safety of that location. Listening to the customer, bringing in the new technologies that interact with the connected world, and bringing those together, that's where really our secret sauce and our differentiation is. We have competition that can offer similar products, but not to the extent of the technologies we bring in and the customization that we bring in to fit the needs of that specific problem.